Hi there, Mark Jabin here, Medical Director for the Haywood County Health Department. Let's talk about this pandemic. Once again, it's the weekly update, and happy 4th to everyone, and hope that you've had a nice and safe time with family and friends. So the summary is the trends continue for Haywood County, and for the region, some down, some up. So please share this with someone you care about. As far as the United States, no states in the red again this week, but note all the red in Missouri. And although Nevada has the highest rate this week, there are 6 states in the orange, one of those being Florida, 3 in the green. And of the 43 states in yellow, 23 have 3 or less per 100,000 population of a rolling 7-day average. And of note, the 1,000 counties in the country with the highest COVID rates all have the lowest vax rates, less than 30%. For our neighbor states, all up just a little bit this week, albeit still at low numbers. For North Carolina, cases continue down, now just below 300 per day. And deaths finally coming down to now in the range of about 3 a day average. It was around 10 last week. For North Carolina, no counties in the red, only 2 in the orange. And you'll notice 18 counties now in the green. And note all the green in western North Carolina. Graham County, one of the 2 North Carolina counties in orange, they remain there from last week. The big change this week is in Clay County, as they have finally settled down after being in the red for several weeks related to a nursing home outbreak apparently. Henderson crossing back into yellow at week's end, and increases for the other 4 counties who are in yellow. And note Macon, which has been slowly increasing for the past 2 weeks. 5 counties now in green, the most we've had for quite a while. And note to Buncombe County, which has been gradually moving in this direction for the past few weeks. As far as testing, the significant increase this week for Macon, so with their increasing case rate, we'll have to watch what's going on there. Slight increase for North Carolina and decreases for both Jackson and Haywood County. And vaccination rates in the region, those fully vaccinated, all are around 65 to 75% for those age greater than 65. Everyone is around 40 to 50% for age greater than 18, except for Clay, which is lower for all age groups. And remember, in Missouri, counties less than 35% are where the surges are currently being noted. For Haywood County, now at 4,498 cases for the entire pandemic. That is an increase of only 1 new case in the past week. And if you look at the graph there and note the diamond, which represents when vaccinations started. And from there, it's been a steady downward trend in cases once we got past the winter surge and once enough people chose to get vaccinated. 1 additional death reported this week, but the same downward trend should also be noted in deaths since January. And no COVID-related admissions at Haywood Regional this week. So here's what I think we can take away from all this. We have now had 1 month of really low numbers. In the month of June, Haywood County only added 41 cases. Contrast that with January. We were adding that number in a day, but it's still 41 cases. This is really great though, but not until we have sustained those low numbers for 2.5 to 3 months can we feel confident about having this under control. And that's because we have seen surges about every 2.5 to 3 months. So this means we will know by late August, early September, if we might actually be there. So let's keep it going. To do that, be aware of the places you're traveling this summer, and you can check that at globalepidemics.org. And pay attention to what's happening with the Delta variant. For more about that, see video number 166 from earlier last week. And wherever you go, near or far, bring home good memories, not COVID. So be well and be careful, especially right now.